It's that time again. Time for everyone's favorite show.
What's in the box?
Brought to you by Old School Model Works, makers of some of the finest lasercut aircraft kits available today. Check them out at oldschoolmodels.com.
It's way too cold and windy outside to do any flying, so I'm down here in the shop working on some prototypes, and I just got in a new box of goodies from Hitec. Let's see what's inside.
Why, look at that! It's servos!
We've been using Hitec servos in our Old School Model Works prototypes for years. They are always reliable. There's a multitude of sizes to fit any of our planes plus anything else you'd ever want to build. They're a great place to get servos. By the way, they also have a special running right now in February where if you buy 3, you get a 4th one for free.
Our thanks to Hitec for their continued support. For over 50 years, Hitec has been producing the best servos around, and we're proud to be using them in all OSMW prototypes. Well, that's all the time we have today. Tune in next time for another exciting episode of
What's in the box?